Hello everybody, Drew Brenner with Willow Bend Mortgage coming to you today with another tip to help you and your clients. So today I want to talk about appraisals and roofs. So I've seen several deals recently where as part of repair negotiations, you guys have gotten the seller to agree to replace the roof for the buyers. You know, insurance is paying for it or not, either way they are replacing that roof, which is awesome for the clients. Now the problem I've been running into is we end up sending the appraiser out and the appraiser happens to go out right when they're in the middle of replacing that roof. So what happens then is the appraiser has to make the appraised value subject to replacing the roof, which means they have to go back out to do a final inspection, which is going to cost our clients an extra 100 or 150 bucks. So of course one of our main goals is to save our clients money, get them the best deal that we can. So we want to make sure if possible to avoid having to spend more of their money to do a final inspection. So what I've been recommending to do is whenever a roof is getting replaced during a transaction, communicate with the listing agent and have them put it into CSS that they have to approve any visit to the property. So when the appraiser calls to make their appointment, they have to go through the listing agent to get that inspection date scheduled. That way the listing agent can schedule the appraiser to come out either right before or right after the roof is complete. That way he doesn't come out when the half of the roof is gone and then have to go right back out when the roof is complete. Now, this works out just fine. I've had some people ask me, okay, well, wouldn't we want the appraiser to go out after the new roof is on? And to be honest with you, it really doesn't matter. The reason is because a new roof does not help the value of the home pretty much ever. The only time I've seen it maybe help a little bit is whenever the person put on just like a really super high quality roof, a level 4 or 5, can't remember what the number is, but basically a top level roof that almost nobody does, and that helped the value out a little bit. Outside of that, as long as the roof isn't falling down, then the appraiser really doesn't take it into account much at all. Now, one other tip I wanted to provide is if you say have a client and the seller will not repair that roof, then the only way to get a roof repair done after closing would be a renovation loan. And we do really awesome renovation loans over here at Willow Bend Mortgage. That's FHA 203K or the home style renovation loans where you can do pretty much anything after closing, from roof to foundation to all the way up to a full gut rehab. So yeah, if you've got a client where the seller won't replace that roof, we have got a program where they can do it after closing. So give me a call with any clients that you have that might be interested. My number is 214-282-6387. All right, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on my next tip. Bye-bye.